How to record screen on iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. If you want to record your screen without any additional app and you are using iPhone, you can do this very easily. For this, you have to go to your settings and then scroll down until you find the control center option. In your control center, you can see the screen recording. I have already enabled the screen recording. So if you are not seeing your screen recording at the top, just scroll down and you can see this option just in the more controls option. Here I have removed it for showing you. Now scroll down, you can see the screen recording and you can see the little plus icon just right to it. Just tap on it and now you can see the screen recording at the very top, and now it's added to your control center. You can see in your control center. Now just get out of here. If you want to record any video from the TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, you can easily record anything with your screen recording. Just go to your control center and tap on this screen recording button and it will start recording with countdown of 3. After 3 seconds, you can easily see your recording start. I have already recording my screen, so I'm not able to show you how you can do this. Just click on that one, and once your video or whatever it is completed, just tap on this button again and you can easily finish it. And you can see this recording in your gallery. Just go to your gallery and then tap on screen recording and you can see your all screen recording here. If you want to edit your screen recording, just tap on your screen recording and then hit the edit. You can crop any extra thing from your recording. Just hit the crop option and here you can easily see, you can easily crop any extra thing from your recording. In this way, you can record anything on your iPhone. So if you want to record your own voice with your screen recording, just tap on the screen recording button and you can see the little microphone off option. If you switch it on, then you will record any screen recording and then you can record your own voice with your screen. So in this way you can record screen in your iPhone. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.